Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today video is basically on best out of waste craft, and we are going to make beautiful coasters out of newspaper. You don't have to have many art supplies for this, because we just need newspaper, Fevicol and few colors if you want. So the requirement for the projects are on your screen. So here are the three designs which I created, and also a stand to keep the coasters on the table. So first we are going to make the round coasters. So to make the round coasters, you need to take the newspaper, cut them out in 4 pieces like I am showing you over here. Also separate the joints of the pages of newspaper. Now take one piece and with the help of a wooden stake or maybe a empty pen refill, we need to make some pipes. Similarly, make a lot of them, and to make the first kind of coaster, we need to start rolling the pipes in a circular or tight coil. So here make sure that your coil is really tight and it is not getting loose in between. You can even use glue to stick it at some places, or maybe like not everywhere, but yeah, some places you can place the glue as well. So once the pipe is over, you can attach the new pipe with it and you can continue this process. So make the size you want for your coaster, and it is done. You can make 4 or 2 or 6, whatever numbers you want for your coasters. Second design we are going to make is coil coaster. So for that we need to again make the tight coil, but this time we need to use only one pipe to make one tight coil, and we will be making 7 coils for one coaster. Now once your coils are done, you can join them in a form of a flower, or you can say a number of coils, and a new design will be created. You can even use your hot glue gun if you have in this case, and you can use that as well. Fevicol will take some time to dry up. With glue gun it will be instant dry. In the similar fashion, you can make 3 coils using 2 pipes, and you can create the third design which I have already shown, and you can paste the 3 coils together and you can wrap them around with some pipes. Now after your coasters are ready, you need to seal them down, and you also make them to a bit hard. So for that we need to use mixture of Fevicol and water in 1:1 ratio, and we need to cover the coasters using this mixture. So once this after applying this mixture, once the coasters are dry, you can use them as it is they look beautiful in their raw form, or you may color them as well. This is totally up to you. So here they are like in the raw form, and here I have colored them. So I have colored them on one side and not on other side, so I can use them both way. So to make the stand also I have used only these two shapes, as you can see. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Do consider subscribing. Goodbye.